The Morehouse College Alumni Association Bahamas chapter, in partnership with the first branch of Toastmasters Club 1600, is set to host an International Black Men's Empowerment Summit. President of the Morehouse College Alumni Association, Mark Humes, sharing remarks on the importance of the historic event.
International Black Men's Empowerment Summit will be the country's first dedicated platform focusing on the empowerment and innovation of black men and men of color.
Humes announcing that the funds raised from the Empowerment Summit will benefit young men in our country to pursue a higher education.
Serving as our organization's primary fundraiser for the establishment of an educational scholarship fund aimed at supporting deserving, underprivileged black men from the local Bahamian community to attend Morehouse College.
Vice President of Education of the first Bahamas branch of Toastmasters Club 1600, Cameron Reckley, says the branch will work hand in hand with the Alumni Association for scholarship selection.
We will act as a crucial pipeline for scholarships candidates. Our organization is well positioned to identify and recommend potential scholarship candidates who are a part of our youth leadership program.
With a lineup of 10 keynote speakers featuring Bishop Neil Ellis, Deputy Prime Minister Chester Cooper, and Prime Minister Philip Davis, Humes emphasizes the goal of the summit.
In the end, we hope that this event will become a testament to the power of unity and purpose. Driven partnerships, a testament to what is possible building bridges between individuals, communities, and countries, all united by a commitment to foster a brighter future for young black men in the Bahamas and men of color in general.
For those interested in the early bird special, you can reserve your space and pay by June 30th, the latest, at www.internationalblackmenssummit.org. For the full 3-day summit pass, priced at $1,250, or purchase the single-day pass for $425. Linton Ritchie Jr., Eyewitness News.